Okay, so you have your thesis done and with your previews, and you're probably wondering, now what do I do? Well, it's pretty easy from here. You take each of your preview points and you make them into a paragraph in the body of your paper. Please note that they should be in order. So whatever you talk about first in your previews, please talk about first in your body paragraphs as well. It's a nice little extra if you are able to write transitions between paragraphs so that your paragraphs flow together nicely. So the body, a little more specifically, we're going to look at the body paragraph structure. So you're going to start with a topic sentence. So you're going to state your point. It's going to be very correlative to your preview. Basically, you're just going to be saying, this is how this preview makes sense with this point. And then you're going to explain, basically, why should we agree with your argument? What is important about your argument? You're going to give evidence so that we can believe that your point is real. Your evidence can be in forms of statistics, research. If you're doing literature analysis, the text that you are analyzing is excellent evidence. In certain cases, it can be personal evidence as well. There are other types, but those are the ones that are coming to my head right now. And finally, you're going to wrap up. You're going to restate again why everything that you've been saying is important. All right, so we're going to go through an example of this. I have made the topic sentence from one of my thesis points. The Lord of the Rings is not only entertaining because of the beautiful sets and exciting plot, but it is also valuable because it teaches good life lessons. You'll notice that I pointed back to my first 2 points in my third point for my topic sentence, so that's a good way to transition. And then I state how this point matters to the overall thing that I'm trying to say, which is that everyone should watch Lord of the Rings. Okay, so my explanation sentence could be something like, Lord of the Rings teaches the values of friendship, loyalty, and honor. And my evidence for this could be, Sam exemplifies all 3 of these characteristics when he and Frodo are in Mordor. He shows his friendship by staying with Frodo even after Frodo abandoned him for Gollum. He shows his loyalty to the cause by giving Frodo the ring when he was tempted to take it for himself. And he shows his honor by going to Mordor to destroy the ring, which helped all of Middle-earth when all he really wanted to do was go back to the Shire. And that would have just helped him. And so then my conclusion just restates everything that I've said, and that's by glorifying the honorable qualities in the main characters, Lord of the Rings teaches that these honorable qualities should be emulated. Yeah. This is a pretty quick example. Don't feel like if it's not exactly like this, it's not right. But this at least gives you something to go off.